Okay. That's cold, by the way. Gotta love the two-stroke smoke. We are running premix in this bike, by the way, since you can't trust the old injectors to always work. Alright. We don't know how fast it goes because we haven't really taken it out and checked. Obviously we like the RDs just a little bit. Anyway. It's got the extended swing arm. Expansion chambers. It's been fully rebuilt. Nicely reupholstered seat. It's got an H4 headlight. And there she is. Any questions, feel free to leave one in the comments. And I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
It's got 28.